So anybody new around here watching our videos, there's nothing better than waking up in a location like this. But a little bit of rain this morning, so just a little bit of a change, but it doesn't look like it's going to be much, fingers crossed anyway. But there's a job that I need to do, empty the toilet. So it's one of them things. Unfortunately, that's one thing you do get in a hotel, but when you're on the road, you got to cater for yourself. So let's go do it. Lucky for me, here they got a brand, well, since we came last, it looks like it's been used a few times, but it's pretty nice. Bit of shelter. So basically, take the lid off. We cater for newbie motorhomers. In it goes, press the button. There we go. Keep an eye on my cap. Just throw a bit of fresh in, and when you've got a facility like this, it's just so nice to give it a good rinse out. Good rinse out like that. Because next time, if you don't get a good water supply, it's had a good rinse, get the opportunity. Another one, I think, just to be super sure. I'm just walking up a minute ago, there was a huge, I didn't get the camera going quick enough, but a huge hare just bounding up the lane up over there. Massive, big ears on it. That's looking pretty nice. There you go. Right, now what I always do is put a little bit in the bottom, keep a bit in the bottom, bit of water in the bottom, get my super duper eucalyptus chem. We've been using a bit of eucalyptus, a bit of lavender along the way. Bit of the old concentrate. Flick the lid on. And that is it. That is it. Got a really nice little setup here though. They got recycling bins here. Like they got a few. I think they normally have a few gas cylinders and stuff that you can exchange if you're running on normal bottles. And they got the drinking water, wastewater. It's just everything you need. And then we are like sat over there. It's lovely. Just looking down over the bottom of the field, Callum was saying he's got a few new pitches down over the bottom there now that are quite level actually. They're pretty nice. That bottom one is pretty nice by the looks of it. You're right down out of everything, but yeah, stunning location. We just get so when we come up here, we always tend to go along there, so we're just like looking down across. But either way, it's beautiful location. Anyway, I think what I'm going to do this morning is just put my awning out a little bit. It's not too rainy, but there's a few spits coming down. But anyway, we're going to get the breakfast on the go, get the Cadac out, and do the usual. Do the usual. But what place for breakfast up here this morning? Right. Quiet, so quiet. Absolute pin drop. I think it's about 8:30, 8:45. Wow. Getting all set up. We've got the toaster on this morning, and we're going to chuck the bacon and eggs on. Yeah, gonna have some toast, and what a place for an alfresco this morning. Yeah, there's a program called Come Dine With Me in there, but we don't do that. Motorhome Adventures diary cam, and it is 10:40 on Sunday the 1st of May, and we are on foot leaving the campsite. So basically, if you never see us again, we're in Dorset. Caroline still had to make use of the fence but not hold the barbed wire.
Oh my god.
Just come across this little rope here, unstable cliff, keep away from the edge. So there's looks like there might have been a recent slide just down here. This is what you got to be careful, super careful of.